infinite energy. Maybe I can... This guy discovered that you can make your own solar panels using just aluminum foil and a broken TV. All you gotta do is cut out these aluminum foil cells, tape them together to the TV, add a couple wires to each side, and you have unlimited energy. This is crazy. So I had to see if this actually works, and I'm gonna try it out and see if I can create infinite energy. Maybe I can power my whole house. Maybe I can power the whole city using just aluminum foil. Cutting out these little cells, about 15 of them, that's what they suggest. I feel like this was enough, and now I'm gonna have to glue them down to this TV. This is actual glue that I'm gluing. This is like permanent glue, actually. I got this aluminum foil tape as well that I'm gonna connect all of these little cells to, and I have these 2 wires that I'm going to connect, one on each side, and I have this little adapter that basically, if you have enough current, it'll turn on a light bulb. So hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face, but we're gonna find out. This is the light bulb. Let's go ahead and see if it worked. Come on now. Oh my god, it actually freaking worked. What the? This guy discovered that you can make your own solar panels using just aluminum foil and a broken TV. All you gotta do is cut out these aluminum foil